Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn about some very interesting chapters of computer. So let's start our third chapter, that is more on coding, Scratch. So students, before we start our chapter, we have some lesson objective. So let's learn features of Scratch, how to see the sprite position, how to open Scratch, components of Scratch window, rotating a sprite, playing the instruments, changing pen shade, how to add a new sprite. So students, now we have some warm-up questions. State true or false. So our first question is, Scratch is a software which help you create many games. You have to write T if you find this statement true. You have to write F if you find this statement false. Second, each block performs a different function in Scratch. Third, event blocks control sound function in Scratch. Fourth, Scratch is not an example of software. Scratch is a free block-based visual programming language. It was developed by Lifelong Kindergarten Group with the MIT Media Lab. It enables to simplify the process of creating and programming animation, games, music, and interactive stories. Users of the site can create online projects using a block-like interface. The Scratch user interface divides the development environment into several panes. So students, our next topic is features of Scratch. Let's learn about the features of Scratch program. The feature of Scratch program are as follows. Scratch is available free of cost. स्क्रैच को यूज़ करने के लिए आपको कोई फीस नहीं देनी होती, ये बिल्कुल फ्री है. इट इज़ ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड लर्न. इसको समझना और इसको यूज़ करना बहुत ही ईजी है. यू कैन टेक पिक्चर्स यूजिंग योर वेब कैम एंड यूज दैम इन स्प्राइट्स एंड बैकग्राउंड्स. वेब कैम का इस्तेमाल करते हुए आप इसमें पिक्चर्स ले सकते हैं और उनका यूज़ बैकग्राउंड के लिए या उनको एडिट करने के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. It has modified GUI. इसमें GUI एक modified version है. It supports for resolution as small as 800 to 600. आप 600 और 800 के बीच का किसी भी resolution को use कर सकते हैं. Variables can show and hide. Scratch में variables को दिखाया और छुपाया जा सकता है. It has own paint editor and sound editor built in. स्क्रैच प्रोग्राम में अपना खुद का पेंट एडिटर और साउंड एडिटर बिल्ट इन है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स टाइम टू नो अ इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट. Scratch 2.0 is the current version introduced after Scratch 1.4. It was officially released on May 9, 2013. Now students, our next topic is opening Scratch. How will you open Scratch? Let's learn about it. To open Scratch, do the following steps. First, click on Start Windows button at the bottom left corner of your desktop. Then go to All Apps and now click on Scratch 1.4. The Scratch window will appear on your screen. Now students, our next topic is components of Scratch window. The user interface for the Scratch development environment divides the screen mainly into 4 distinct sections. They are block palette, script editor, stage, and sprite list. So students, let's learn about block palette in detail. The block palette is an area of the graphical user interface located between the stage, sprite pane, and scripting area. It contains 8 blocks. The blocks are located to the right of the categories, which can be clicked to automatically scroll to the category. The whole list can be scrolled through. Motion, control, look, sensing, sound, operators, pen, variables. Now students, our next topic is script editor. This section comprises the name of your sprite. By default, the name of your sprite is sprite1, but you can change the name in the left corner. It has rotate only face left right and don't rotate buttons. It also comprises scripts, costumes, and sound option, which are used to edit your sprite. So students, here you can see the interface of sprite program. Now students, let's learn about stage in detail. Stage is the main working area to draw pictures or perform action. Stage always at the back layer. Beside this, on the top right corner, it also contains a green flag and red circle. The green flag works like enter button and red circle stop all the actions when you click on it. An image of a sprite appearing on both stage and the sprite list sprites either user created, uploaded or found in the sprite library. So students, our next topic is adding a new sprite. You can add new sprite to the stages by following the steps given below. Click on File menu on the ribbon, then click New option from it. A message about saving your current work will display. Save or not save your work as you want. So students, now our next topic is setting the position of sprite. The Scratch stage is divided into X and Y grid. The middle of the stage has an X coordinate of 0 and Y coordinate of 0. To find out the X and Y position of the sprite on the stage, click and drag the sprite and observe the change in the coordinates. The value of X decides the horizontal location of the sprite and the value of Y decides the vertical location of the sprite. The X value of stage can range from 240 to minus 240 and Y value can range from 180 to minus 180. The simplest way to set a sprite location is by using blocks from the motion block palette. To set the position of a sprite, do the following steps. Drag the when click and forever blocks from the control block palette to the script area. Select the move 10 steps block from the motion block and place inside the forever block. Change the step value to minus 100. Drag the wait 1 second from the control palette and place it below the move minus 100 steps block. Now click and drag the set X to 0 block from the motion block on the script area and change its value to 100. Again, pick the wait 1 second block and place it after set X to 100 block. Add the change size by 10 and change the color effect by 25 blocks together at the end of the 0 script. Change the value in change size by 10 block to 5. Click on the green flag and observe the sprite changing its position, color and size on the same stage. In the same way, we can change the value of Y coordinate using the set Y to 0 block. So students, it's time to know an interesting fact. When you will click inside the box that displays the sprite's name, will change the name of sprite. So students, our next topic is rotating a sprite. How will you rotate your sprite? Let's learn about it. We can also rotate sprite using the 3 buttons present in script area. Can rotate, only face left, right and don't rotate. We can pick any option according to our need. So students, now let's know an interesting fact. The Scratch Cat is the official Scratch mascot. Now our next topic is changing pen shade. How will you change your pen shade? Let's learn about it. To change pen shade, do the following steps. Click on pen menu, then click on change pen shade by in the drop down menu and type the number we want to change pen shade by. Then the pen shade will be changed. So students, again let's know an interesting fact. The picture on this stage is known as backdrop in Scratch 2.0. Now our next topic is playing the instruments. The sound block provides different blocks to add music to our Scratch project. It also provides music based on different instruments using blocks. To set the instruments, follow the given steps. To add music to your Scratch project, you have to follow these steps. First, click on sound menu, then a drop down menu having several menus will appear. Then click set the instrument to. After clicking, a number of instruments will be displayed. Select any one instrument you want, then click on play button, the sound will be played. So this is how will you add music to your Scratch project. Now students, it's time to know an interesting fact, that is there are 21 different inbuilt instruments from which we can select desired one. So students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some key points. Scratch is a free visual programming language. Scratch एक free visual programming language है. Scratch allows us to create our own game, animation and interactive stories. Scratch प्रोग्राम में हम गेम्स, एनिमेशंस और अपनी मनपसंद की स्टोरीज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ब्लॉक पैलेट कंटेन 8 ब्लॉक्स. स्केच प्रोग्राम के ब्लॉक पैलेट में 8 ब्लॉक्स हैं. द मेन वर्किंग एरिया ऑफ स्क्रैच प्रोग्राम इज नोन एज स्टेज. स्क्रैच प्रोग्राम का मेन वर्किंग एरिया जहाँ पे हम अपनी प्रोजेक्ट्स बना सकते हैं उसको स्टेज कहते हैं. वी कैन ऐड म्यूजिक टू आवर स्क्रैच प्रोजेक्ट इन द साउंड ब्लॉक मेन्यू. हम अपने स्क्रैच प्रोग्राम में म्यूजिक भी ऐड कर सकते हैं साउंड मेन्यू पे क्लिक करने के बाद. When start to play, remember the higher number will play at the higher pitches. जब भी आप उसको प्ले करें तो इस बात का हमेशा ध्यान रखें कि जितना ज़्यादा नंबर आप डालेंगे उतनी ही ज़्यादा पिच पे आपका म्यूजिक प्ले होगा. So students, this is it from this chapter. Soon we are going to learn about many interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.